I found peace today, lying in the grass before my afternoon class. I didn't believe in peace before this. I thought it was only a lofty thought, posed by people living in clouds. The cloud people, maybe. Or les nuages hommes. I'm not sure how they stay up there, but they're up there. I don't know if that last bit of French is correct, but who cares? Back to the point. People don't want to see the person actually behind the poem. But wait, back to the grass. I was lying there, looking up into the clouds, and I saw two other black clouds coming my way, one to my left, the other to my right. I thought I should run. It is going to rain. But then I started to hear the Beatles out of nowhere until I realized my iPod was still playing. It was, well, you know that song. Images of broken light I dance before me like a million eyes. They dancing on and on across the universe. That one. And I realized what he was talking about. I could see light dancing in front of me like a small universe. And they are just bouncing forever. Dancing forever. 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 It never ends. It never ends. It never ends. Forever. Forever. And that is how I found peace.